What is up, y'all? How's it going? Well. Another day, another victory for the OGs. Taking down the sweats. So today, just started out. It's about 11 o'clock. I just did some outreach, made a video for a client, and yeah, I already had some breakfast. Had to keep up with the Euros. Just watched the Euros. Tell me why the hell the Argentina versus Peru commentator was so down and sad, weird. And Bellingham, yo, bro, Bellingham, goated. That man is the GOAT. But yeah, today we're gonna do some more work. I'm probably gonna just focus mainly on watching videos today, or I might just focus on outreach. Yesterday we had a sales call with a client. Went very good. We closed, and yeah, we should be starting to work very soon. So I'm still outreaching to more. Outreaching, what the fuck? Yeah. And now, I think I might go to the gym later on, honestly. Yeah, I need to go to the gym, bro, because the amount of time I've been spending in the fucking room is crazy, man. Yeah, so I'll probably go gym later on. Hitting shoulders, hair. Oh God, I feel so weak, bro. I've been eating like shit these past few days. And yeah, I'm gonna go gym. I'll vlog there as well. Maybe on the way there I'll vlog. And then at the gym a bit. You guys let me know if you wanna see the workout routine, man. If you guys wanna see the fucking games, man. But yeah, today is gonna be a pretty slow day. Well, slow day for you guys. Pretty intense day for me. But I'm not doing much today, just the same as ever. Still grinding every single fucking day. I'm gonna think of a topic to talk about today. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll catch y'all boys later. When I met you in the summer. What is up, y'all? We're back again. W's in chat. Off to the gym type shit. Off to the gym. Type shit. Bruh. Oh God, it's a hot day. Finally. Type shit. Bruh. Just finished a bunch of work. And it's a long ass gym walk, bro. I don't think I'm gonna record the whole thing, but I'm gonna continue recording when I get there. Got there, drip phone. Freaking TNs, dude. Yeah, why you beeping for, gang? Anyway, I'll see y'all boys when I get there. Boom. And we're here. Quick little pre-up. Why the fuck did I just do that? Anyway, we're at the gym now. Oh, my fucking head is so itchy, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna get a quick shoulder workout in, and then we're gonna head back. I have to go to Mainlands for my little brother's birthday. Celebrate the little man's birthday, cut a little cake and that. Then it's back to the grind. But I don't know. I'm still not used to recording myself in front of people and shit. I mean, it's good. I do it at home and stuff, but I don't know. I've never done it out in the open. But I guess I have to get used to it. So fuck it. Type shit. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Gym sesh complete. On the way home. Cheeky little pump in. Type shit. Bruh, that was the weirdest gym sesh ever. On God, bruh. I stopped doing shoulders halfway through. And then just started fucking doing whatever. I don't know, weird ass gym sesh. I was just thinking about too much stuff. My head was too busy. But anyway, now we're on the way home. I'm practicing recording in fucking recording in public. It's weird as hell, bro. Everyone's like staring at me, but I don't give a fuck. Anyway, I'm gonna go home, shower and shit, and then I'm gonna head off to Maylands. I might continue when we're in the car, or I'll just record when we're at the birthday. Or I might never record it at all because this video has been long as shit. We'll see when we get there. But yeah, I'll see y'all boys when we get there, gang. I swear these clips have been short as fuck lately, man. But anyway, it is what it is. See y'all boys later.
Why are you all blue? Are you part of the south side?
You don't record like this. Turn it sideways, man.
I do it.
Bro.
Oi, oi.
For the vlog, and this guy does that.
Mika, do this one. Mika.
Bro, you can't even eat with them.
Sigma. What up, guys? Currently at my sister's house. Say hi to the vlog, Najat.
What?
Say hi
What's
to the vlog.
good, vlog?
No one invited you.
Oh, you say vlog, not blood?
Say
Okay.
hi to YouTube.
Oh, hi, YouTube.
So let's see.
Why are you not showing your face and you show everyone else so you can tell everybody else?
Cause
No, it's over.
I'm discreet. Now they've taken my identity. Okay, say hi to YouTube.
What up, yo?
What up, yo? This guy's trying to break himself.
Damn. That requires a lot of power and resilience.
My water.
Ew, yeah.
Did you drink it?
Anyway, let's play the Monopoly. Catch your boys when we're done.
Really not that funny, my friend.
Bro, when the thing goes off, she's gonna run away.
You don't even know.
I know it's burning your finger. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Damn.
Bro, so
Hey, that's awesome.
blow it.
Yeah, don't blow
Blood. Finish it, Matthew. Hey, hey. You can't blow it out, goofball.
That's scary.
Yeah, got that. Okay, we'll put the light on.
Yes.
I'm bringing light.
Yeah, this is the chocolate cake.
Happy birthday to you. What'd you wish for?
I don't wish before.
What's your wish for?
I don't wish for.
Don't say it, someone might snatch it.
Exactly. I'm there. I'm there. Don't say it. Someone might snatch it.
I know what you wish for.
See Ronaldo. What?
I wanna be
He wants
rich.
to go.
I wanna be famous.
So you can go see the Arsenal Stadium.
Arsenal. Who even likes Arsenal? What? Imposter moment.
Where's the napkins?
What a weirdo. What do you mean? The napkins. Say, swear I ain't fresh. My son got the Denver Nugget jeans on. Is you shitting me? Is you shitting me? Now you guys are probably wondering why I'm dressed like this, huh? Because I got that drip on. What are my dads? I'm fly. No, I'm joking. It was all just a troll. But anyway, it's fun and all, but I gotta get back to the work, man. At least I'm enjoying myself right now. Play some Monopoly. Then I'm gonna send some emails later on, and then we're lit. And we're set for the day. I don't know, I might do one more outreach on one more client today, maybe. Actually, yeah, I probably will. Anyway, but then when I get home, I need to send some emails. Just a bit early where they are now. It's like 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock for them. So maybe when it gets to like 10, 11 my time, which is like 10, 11 their time, then I'll start sending the email so it actually pops up for them and they can actually see it immediately. So other than that, let me go play freaking Monopoly and see where that goes can go. And I'll catch you up boys when I'm home. Or if not, I don't know. Today's the only vlog that I haven't like given you guys some advice or anything, but if I can give you some advice. The family. This is something that my friend told me yesterday. Said family over money. All the time. No matter how good it is to have the money, bro, you also gotta stay close to your family. So spend time like times like this, bro. Just go spend it with your family if you can. So yeah. That's the knowledge I dropped for today. But anyway, that's all. I'll see y'all boys later. We gonna end the vlog here. When I get home, I'm gonna edit it and post. But yeah. Catch y'all boys later. Grind don't stop.
Can we talk
To the
about the
motherfucking
political
casket
economic
drop.
state of the world right now?
Bro. This guy's cool. Grind don't stop till the casket drops.